here, and we'll be looking at the voice assistant. So let's get started. So the name of the voice assistant is Edith. Well, we have created a file named Edith Mark 1. Sorry, this is the file, and we're going to test it. So we basically imported basically implemented it as a module in Python. So this is the file that we created, and we basically implemented this as a module so that it can be reused. Okay, so import Edith Mark 1. So let's see. It's going to take some time to run, but it'll run.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Hope you had a nice day. This Edith here. What should I call you?
You can type any names, for example, Rishit over here.
Welcome. Rishit. How can I help you?
Okay, so here we can type various queries. For example, I want to search Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
Then you have to enter the search term. For example, let me type. How about, let's say,
according to Wikipedia, Shahabuddin Muhammad Kurm, Persian, January 5th, 1592 January 22nd, 1666, better known by his regnal name, Shah Jahan, Persian, lit. King of the world, was the 5th Mughal emperor, and reigned from 1628 to 1658. Under his reign, the Mughal Empire reached the peak of its cultural glory.
So we get 3 sentences from Wikipedia, and it also reads it out. So let's say we want to know someone. So who is probably David Beckham. Sorry, it's going to, yeah, we need to type the search terms as well. So it's going to take me to another website, the Google, which will show me details related to David Beckham. So what is let me say an animal, or what is Python? If we search right, Python, nothing. So it will take me to what is Python, as you can see over the search term over here, search box, and it will show me what is Python, but it does not read it out, or it does not implement web scraping. So you can also get current weather. Oops. So you have to tell current weather or temperature. So current weather in, let's say, my place, Kolkata.
Current weather in Kolkata is haze. The maximum temperature is 23.00 and the minimum temperature is 23.00 degrees Celsius.
There we go. We can do various things as well. We can take camera, we can tell system details. This will provide me the system details in my system. For example, the platform, this is Windows 10 10.0.18362 is the version. System name Windows, which provides operating system. Processor name is Intel 64 Family 6, model 2061, stepping 4, genuine Intel, and architectural detail is 64-bit and Windows PE. Various other things can be done. For example, you can search something. Let's say this does not work most of the time, but let's see. Search, let's say dolphin. Yeah, it's working. So if it returns basically some links, which on clicking we will be taken to there, will be taken there, and let's say we have to search, let's say Elon Musk. Yeah, we'll get some links as well from google.com. So here we have some links. Let's see what else can we do. We can lock the window, which will provide me the lock window. Well, I can also written Joe.
If you put a million monkeys at a million keyboards, one of them will eventually write a Java program. The rest of them will write Perl.
Sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's not, but don't mind that. You can also exit.
Thanks for giving me your time.
So now it won't take any more queries. Normally it can take 1,000 queries, so stop taking queries, right? Because we have exited the program. So we have to run it again in order to get a response. If once we exit it, takes only one file at a time, so take some time to give a response. Let's open another file and let's type import Edith Mark 1 again. Import Edith Mark 1. Right.
Good afternoon. Hope you had a nice day. This Edith here. What should I call you?
Let's not type anything away.
Welcome. How can I help you?
Well, let's search. Open Google.
Here you go to Google.
Yeah, so we get Google. You can also open YouTube, which I'm not showing right now. Alright.
Here you go to YouTube.
So an external website will open to YouTube. Alright. Now let's say open Stack Overflow.
Here you go to Stack Overflow. Happy coding.
Yeah, so we will go to Stack Overflow in another browser, that is. We need to fix this issue. So as you can see, it's the Internet Explorer, the old version, not Microsoft Edge. This is where I go to Stack Overflow, as you can see. Alright, now what else can we do? Well, so we can tell how are you. You can ask.
I am fine, thank you. How are you, sir? Good to know that, sir.
Well, this is the bug over here. Which is another thing we need to fix. We basically implemented that this bad, depressed, or sad inquiry or alone inquiry. Then we need to type a statement, and else we need to type another statement, but kind of doesn't recognize it. So let's say, what's your name?
My friends call me Edith.
Yeah, so that's basically it. You can also take a camera, but I'm not taking the camera right now. Actually I can, but you won't be able to see anything, only a pack of cards probably. Alright, so we got an image. So this is basically an image that the camera took, the Edith cam. There's the camera on. Alright, now it will, once you close this window, it will take another query as it does. So now let's see if you can recognize. Yeah, so it's basically a bridge card pack. Let's see if we can get a better image. This camera is pretty dope anyways. This is a laptop, that's why. Yeah, so yeah, that's just some best you can get out of it. So that's basically it. There are many features we're looking to implement, and there are many features that we may remove, such as this command right over here, or this time thing right over here. So these are some things we liking to remove, but that's basically it. Sorry.